Morning, afternoon, or night. This is your teacher, Mr. Figueroa. Now, in this video, we're talking about inequalities. Inequalities. Now, what is an inequality? The same word say it. Unequal. So it's not equal. So, okay. Explain that. So, now examples. So, the symbol for the inequality is as follows: that one, that one, that one, and that one. This one called less than a number. That one called greater than a number. So it's x less than to a number. That one is greater than x greater than a number. That one is less than or equal to a number, and that one is x greater than or equal to a number. I'm sorry. Okay. Examples. For example, if I have x greater than 8, that one your first example. Second example is x greater than -8. Third example is x less than or equal to 10. I'm sorry for that. Okay. Fourth example is x greater than or equal to -10. The fifth example is 8 less than x less than 10. And your final example, the sixth example, is x less than 1 or x greater than or equal to 8. Okay? That one is your examples for calling inequalities. Now, we need graphic. So how to graphic the inequalities. So many people don't know how to graphic the inequality or how to represent the inequalities. So in this video, we're talking about that. So how to graph inequalities. Okay. Remember, your first example was x less than 8. So we need graph line like this, and in the middle you can put, in this line in here, you can put 0 or you can put 8. So we try to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one is this number is 9, 10, 11, all the numbers, infinite numbers, and that one is less than 8. So it's 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, right? So now remember, x is all numbers less than 8. So which numbers are less than 8? So the numbers the less than 8 is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, infinite. Now, remember, but we need to put an open circle here because it's less than. You need to put open circle in your 8, then infinite numbers, right? So now we're talking about interval notations. So how represent the graph in your notations? So easy. The domain. For example, the same example. Which number are the first in the left side? Infinite, right? So it's negative infinite because it's 2, 1, 0 in negative infinity, negative 1, negative 2. It's infinite. So it's negative infinity 2. What is your last point? Is 8, right? 8. But it's bracket or is parenthesis? So easy. It's parenthesis. Why? Because it's less than. So it's open circle now. It's open, so that means parenthesis. I'm sorry. 8 parenthesis. Now we're talking. That one's called interval notations. Now we're talking about set notations. Your set notation is easy. It's the most easy way to say easy. I'm sorry, it is. So set notation. So it's like a bracket. I'm sorry, it's like this. Okay, X, because it's your letter X. That one. Sorry. Then you need to put R interval, R inequality. So it's X again, less than 8, then close the bracket. And that one is used notations. Okay. Now we need to solve in the rest of the inequalities. The inequality number 2 is a x greater than negative 8. Same thing, the graphing. The mirror is negative 8. Numbers here, numbers the other way. That one is negative 7, negative 6, negative 5. That one is negative 9, negative 10. All numbers. All less numbers. Now look here. That one is like an arrow, right? So this arrow is the same for that arrow. So that means all numbers will here. So now is open circle. Now the rest numbers. Interval notation again. The first point is negative 8. Now is parenthesis because open circle, comma, infinite numbers. Infinite numbers. And use a notation. Again, is the most easy part. X because it's your variable. Then put the inequality x greater than negative 8. Close the bracket. Example number 3. Is x greater than or equal to negative 10. you you your linear graph, -10. Which number are greater than or equal to 10? So -9, -8, -7, -6, +5, +4, infinite numbers, +infinity. So that one is going that way. Remember that interval, that symbol is like arrow, like that one. So now it's closed circle because it's equal. So it's the same number. So it's here, closed circle, then go to infinity. So which number is the first one? -10. What point is the last one? Is infinities, parentheses. Now in this -10 is parentheses or is bracket? It's bracket because it's closed circle, because it's equal. Okay, you interval notation in that one. You set notation, and remember easy part, x because your variable. Now put an inequality, x greater than or equal to -10, close the bracket. Okay, now last two. 8 less than x less than 10. Now, which numbers are greater than 8? 9, 10, right? Which number are less than 10? 9, right? So is greater than or equal to? No. That one is less than or equal to? No. So which number are repeated? 9. So that one, no, because x is not equal to 10. So it's only less than. So it's 9. Okay, explain that. Go to graphing. You line graphing. Put the number. Okay, in this case it's two numbers. I'm sorry. I can put here 8 and here 10. Okay, remember your inequality will be between 8 and 10. So it's here. That one is 9. Will be here. So it's the symbol equals? No, right? So it's open circle, open circle. That one is your line notation. I'm sorry, the lining graph. Now interval notation. Remember, the first point in the left side, 8. With the last point in the first point in the left is 8. The last point in the right is 10. That one is your interval notations. Now set notation, easy way. X because of your variable. 8 less than x less than 10, close. Okay, now we're talking about the last part, the last example. X greater than 1 or x greater than or equal to 8. Okay, line graphing. I can put one here and it here. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So now, which number are less than 1? So it's 0, -1, -2, that numbers right here. Which number are greater than or equal to 8? So 8, 9, 10, 11, are numbers, infinite numbers. So but that one is closed circle, and that one is open circle. Okay. Now, interval notations. With the first point in the left side. So it's negative infinity, comma. With the first point or in the right side, 1. And parentheses because open circle. Now we need to put u. The first point in the left side, 8, but we need to put bracket. So the last point will be infinity. Close the parentheses. Okay, that one is you interval notations. Set notation, same thing. Open bracket. X because are your variable. X less than 1 or X greater than equal to 8. Close the bracket. Okay, that'll be all for today. So we see you the next video. Thank you for watching and subscribe it, because if you subscribe, I can do more videos like that and more videos about cooking, history, all kind of videos you wanted. So please comment if you want to see any more videos about math or cooking or any subject. So thank you, and like, please.